Hello, everybody. I am Deepshika Raina from Corn Masters, and today with us we have one of the students, Niharika, who recently got placed in Wipro as a project manager. Heartiest congratulations to you, Niharika, from the entire team of Corn Masters.
Thank you, ma'am.
How are you feeling?
Very excited and nervous also, ma'am.
You are nervous.
Yes, ma'am.
Why are you nervous?
Because it's a very big company.
Yes, it's a very big company, but it is giving you an opportunity, right?
Ma'am.
So you should be happy and you should be really excited that I am going to start a new journey of my life and
Yes,
I'm going to learn something very great from a very great company, right?
yes, ma'am.
So don't be nervous. You
Okay.
are one of the students who has been there, done that, right? You
Yes,
have cleared all the interview process.
yes,
So be
ma'am.
proud of yourself and don't be nervous at all, right?
Okay.
Fine. So Niharika, uh, was Wipro your first interview or you have sat for interviews before as well?
No, ma'am. I have already completed some interviews from Cognizant and also from ACL Digital Company, Bangalore, ma'am.
So, Niharika, you tell me one thing. How was the experience different when it comes to different companies, interview experience? So, and can you please be a bit loud? Your voice is a bit low.
Okay, sure, ma'am. Now it is on.
Please go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. My Cognizant is my first interview experience, ma'am. In that interview, I was so nervous and I didn't talk that much also, ma'am, with that interviewer. Means I didn't speak freely with that interviewer, ma'am. Like I don't know what to talk and how to talk at that time, ma'am. Okay. After joining in Quant Masters, Himanshu sir, I have seen so many interview experience from Himanshu sir that took, ma'am. Sir said to be yourself and freely talk with the interviewer, and it helped me a lot, ma'am. There is a big difference between my first interview and in Wipro interview, ma'am. In Wipro interview, I talked very freely with the interviewer and answered the questions that he asked, ma'am.
So, you observed a change in yourself.
Yes,
Uh,
ma'am.
I can I can call this change as you got a self confidence, you got some boost, you got some direction, right?
Yes, ma'am. Surely, ma'am.
So, Niharika, I think in all the interviews, you need to be very much, you have to be self-confident, you need to be honest, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
just have to be, just go with the interview, just go with the flow in the interview,
Yes, ma'am.
right? You don't have to be nervous because if you get nervous and in case you know the answer, you'll not be able to, deliver it.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. If the answer is known, also you can speak out, ma'am. When you
Yeah,
are
it is. Yes, that's what. It is very important for you to stay confident and have that self confidence in yourself
yes,
that yes, I can do that. If I have come to this stage, I can go to next and further stages as well,
yes, ma'am.
right? So sometimes, students have this tendency, everybody has this tendency. They feel, they feel that the competition is very much high.
Yes, ma'am.
How will they survive, right? So I think that should not be the first lookout of the students or anybody in this entire world, right? First lookout should be, I am here. How do I go to the next step? If
Yes,
I'm to the next step, how do I go the further step,
yes, ma'am.
right? Do not invest your energy into how my competition is going to be. Just feel that you are here and you're going to do that,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So don't be nervous here also. It is
Oh,
just a normal, casual chit chat, not a formal kind of talk, okay?
okay, ma'am.
So, Niharika,
Yes, ma'am.
Uh, yeah, you tell me, how did you plan and strategize? Did you plan and strategize, or you just went with the flow? Okay, let's see what happens and we'll do it. Something kind of attitude.
I mean, no, ma'am, not like that. I didn't win, ma'am, because I already completed the TCS and Cognizant, ma'am. In
Mm-hmm.
that I didn't got selected, ma'am. So I'm a little bit down, ma'am. So whichever the company next comes, I have to be selected in that company. Like that, there is a thought in my mind, ma'am. I fixed that thought and I joined in Quant Masters, ma'am. While Wipro given the notification out for the freshers, ma'am. In December, like that, I joined the Quant Masters, ma'am. Wipro training started, ma'am. So I joined in that Wipro training and started to learn the aptitude and verbal ability and also programming language, ma'am. So,
You know what, Niharika, you started Wipro training with a positive approach. That's what made the difference for you,
ma'am.
and we are proud of you.
Thank you.
So, so Niharika, for everybody, when it comes to placement training, preparation strategies, and all, there's always a weaker subject and a strong subject. What was that for you, and how did you balance between the both?
I mean, weaker subject is that C programming, ma'am, because I'm from easy student, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
I know only the basics of the C programming, ma'am. Just I can write the program, but not very deeply about the program, ma'am. So in that programming, sir helped me a lot in that C programming. He explained in a very easy way how to write the program and how to understand the program, and so that we can write the what the program is given, so that we can work on that like that, ma'am. It helped me a very lot, ma'am.
So, students have this fear, any non-IT student, they are like, how do we get into programming? It's so difficult for us. We are into this branch and we can't go to that branch. We can't learn the subjects and all.
Yes,
So, I think you have done a good and great job here,
yes,
being
ma'am.
an easy student. Now, can I say you don't, the codes and programming don't fear you now? Can I say that?
Yes, ma'am. Surely can say that, ma'am.
Okay, that's so nice, Niharika. So, let's get into the rounds of Wipro,
Okay,
right?
ma'am. Yes,
So
ma'am.
let's talk about the first round and when was the first round?
The first round was in January, ma'am. In January, the aptitude test and all is there, ma'am.
Okay.
Aptitude test along with the programming and one essay we should write, ma'am. They will give a topic and we should write in 20 minutes. We should write some essay, ma'am, on the topic. And there are in programming section there are two questions, ma'am. I only solved one programming, ma'am. All the test cases are passed. I couldn't solve the second programming. Means I solved it, but all the test cases are not passed, ma'am. Only one or two test cases are passed. So that I'm a bit of in a situation that I won't got selected in a Wipro.
Okay. You got that
Uh,
thing that okay,
Confusion.
maybe I'll not be able to select. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. And the aptitude part is that it means it is not very hard and it is not means some questions are easy only, ma'am. We can just solve by looking of that question, ma'am. Con masters help that so much, ma'am. By looking the question, we can solve that question in like seconds only, ma'am. Aptitude was not that much of a difficult in that Wipro, ma'am. But programming second question was difficult. First question was easy only, ma'am. And the essay I have written, ma'am. That's it about the first one,
So
ma'am.
yeah, Niharika, can I say there were three sections in
Yes,
the
ma'am.
first round? First was aptitude, which consisted of your quant, verbal, and logical.
Yes,
Second
ma'am.
was your programming, in which there were two coding questions. And third was your essay writing, in which there was one question.
Yes, ma'am. One topic.
So let's go one by one about it, okay? So, in aptitude, what was asked in the logical, verbal, and quant? What was the timing given? Was there any sectional timing or not? And could you navigate between sections and the questions as well? And what areas were asked? What were the topics mostly focused on? So let's talk about that.
Okay, ma'am. In aptitude, yes, ma'am, there is a sectional timing in Wipro, ma'am. I mean, there
Okay.
is a separate timing.
Mm-hmm.
In aptitude, they mostly asked about based on work, how many days it will take for a
Mm-hmm.
person, work and time, and trains, and also percentages, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, I think most of the questions are there, ma'am. That's it. And also some problems on like probability one or two like that is there, ma'am.
Mhm.
I
Mhm.
think. Yes, ma'am. I think
So
yes,
can
ma'am.
we say basic arithmetic was there and some probability
Yes,
questions?
ma'am.
Was permutation and combination there?
I think no, ma'am. I didn't get that permutations and
Okay,
combination, ma'am.
okay,
Only probability I got, ma'am.
okay. How many questions were there from quant?
Sorry, ma'am. I don't remember that exactly question number, ma'am.
That's okay. That's okay, Niharika. If we talk about verbal, uh,
Yes,
what
ma'am.
were the top
Verbal, like what is the meaning of this word and autonomy and synonym.
synonyms?
And also there is one passage and asked about the questions, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So how was the passage? Was it lengthy? Was it an
Yes,
easy read?
ma'am. There is a bit of length in that,
Okay.
but it was easy only, ma'am.
Was direct, indirect speech asked
Yes, ma'am. Direct indirect speech also asked, ma'am.
and error spotting?
Error, yes, ma'am. Error spotting also asked, ma'am.
Were parajumbles asked?
No, ma'am. I don't think so, ma'am.
Okay, don't, no worries. So if we talk about logical, Niharika, what was asked?
In logical, I couldn't remember the topics, ma'am.
That's okay. I'll name them. You tell
Okay,
me
ma'am.
if it was there or not. Coding, decoding was there.
No, ma'am. Coding, decoding is. No, ma'am. I.
Seating arrangements.
Yes, ma'am. Seating arrangements are there, ma'am.
Was it circular or linear?
Circular only, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Was it easy?
Yes, ma'am. Easy.
Okay.
Means medium, not that much of easy, medium.
Okay, okay, okay. So if we talk about clocks, calendars,
Clocks they have given, ma'am.
blood relations,
Yes, ma'am. Blood relations also there was a question,
direction
ma'am.
sense,
No, ma'am.
syllogisms.
Yes, ma'am. That's logic.
How many questions were there from
Like
syllogisms? Do you remember?
3 or 4 maybe, ma'am.
Okay, okay. They have this alphabet and number series as well. Was it there?
Uh, yes, ma'am. There is. Yes, ma'am. Is there, ma'am.
Okay. And
Odd one and all. Pick the odd
yeah,
one.
okay, okay. Okay, fine. The odd one out. And there is one more thing, Niharika. They have this set of figures given, and the next figure we have to, identify.
Yes, ma'am. I don't think I have answered that questions, ma'am.
So it was there, right?
Yes, ma'am. It was there, ma'am.
Okay, fine, Niharika. I think we have covered almost everything. What
Okay.
is basic of the logical part. So, talking about the coding, do you remember the first question that was asked and a little bit of second as well, and how many test cases were there?
Total, I think there are 10 test cases are there, ma'am. The first question was programming about some like shop about some shop, ma'am. There is some shopping details are they given, ma'am. You have to arrange them in that. They have given some order, ma'am. You have to
Okay.
arrange in that order, ma'am.
Mhm.
I have to write a program that you can arrange that order, ma'am. The
And you
first,
can choose any language.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. And second question.
Second question was about something like about something buildings like, ma'am. I don't remember that much, ma'am. That question was a very big one, ma'am. So much lengthy of that is there, ma'am. First question was very small and like medium, ma'am. You can do that. I don't remember that much, ma'am. Second question.
That's okay. That's okay. So, do you remember which topic was asked in essay and what was the time for that?
Time was 20 minutes, ma'am, for that.
Mhm.
I'm asked about that. What is your inspiration class that you have listened in your childhood, ma'am?
Okay. Inspirational story from your childhood.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what was the word limit?
200, ma'am.
Yeah, actually, I've heard many students saying this that they have this essay writing round in Wipro. So I think for the students who are preparing for Wipro on the similar lines need to have some practice, like typing practice with the keyboards, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, because on phone we can type like
Yes,
this, and it's all done. But in a keyboard, we actually, lag behind. So
yes,
I think
ma'am.
3 or 4 days prior practice could
Yeah,
work,
ma'am.
right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
had you also gone through some practice of typing before?
No, ma'am, I didn't got practice,
Oh,
ma'am, for typing.
that's okay, but still you managed, right?
Yes, ma'am. I completed 200 words, ma'am, in 20
Okay,
minutes.
fine, Harika. So after how many days of your first round did you get the mail for the second round?
Yes, ma'am. After like 1 month, I think, ma'am, we are in college, ma'am. I written the exam in college. We went for semester exams, ma'am, for college. After 1 month, we got results that I am rejected for the Wipro next round, ma'am. So my hopes are all down, ma'am. Oh, you are not selected for the next round. In case any possibilities are there, we will contact you for any further. Like that, they sent an email, ma'am, from Wipro. Okay, I thought, okay, let's move on like that. I thought, and I applied for another companies like that, ma'am. Like, and again, I got a mail from Wipro like 1 month from 1 month before, ma'am. From now, like in June, ma'am. June or July, I got a pro mail that saying that you are selected for the technical round. Please give your availability time. Like that, they have sent a mail, ma'am.
So, so it was kind of like you appeared for the first round after 1 month. There was a mail from their end that you have not got selected, and then recently in
Yes,
June
ma'am.
only, June, July, you got a mail that you have been selected for the next round.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I
Uh,
don't know how the process of Wipro works, but
yes, ma'am. I too shocked
Mhm.
that moment, ma'am. I first thought that it was yeah, some error is there like that. I just thought, ma'am, someone has kept this mail. But my friends also got, ma'am. Some friends are got that you are selected for the technical interview, ma'am.
I
Uh,
think Niharika, I heard one of the students saying that there was a survey form
yes, ma'am.
from
There
their
is
end.
a survey form saying that have you completed your study? I mean your 8th sem exams when
Mm-hmm.
if S means when will you complete date and all we should give, ma'am. And you are
So when,
interested.
yeah, please go.
Yes, ma'am. I remember the date, ma'am. July 8th, I got the mail that you are selected for the Wipro, ma'am. Within July 13th, you have to submit that survey form, ma'am.
So they gave you like 5 days
Yes,
around.
ma'am.
Okay, fine. So how was your technical round and when was it?
Yes, ma'am. Technical round is like in August, ma'am. Like 1 month gap is there, ma'am. Definitely a 1 month gap is there, ma'am. So in technical interview, from 10 o'clock, they have given just 20 minutes, ma'am. That's it for technical interview. They asked us to choose the date, ma'am. They have given a week, ma'am, Monday to Friday. They have given that you can choose between these days and you can choose the slots like that. They said, ma'am. I choose it for the Friday slot, ma'am, but there is no availability. They're postponing to Thursday, ma'am. So I took the interview Thursday 10 o'clock, ma'am, in the morning. It was just around 10 to 12 minutes, ma'am. That's it. The interview was completed, ma'am. In that interview, interviewer asked about first of all about myself, ma'am, and he asked about some built-in functions, ma'am. What are the built-in functions in C programming? And he asked about the data types. What are the different data types? And also, what is the int size, ma'am? How many bytes it contains? And also, he asked about pre increment and post increment, ma'am, values. What is the difference between them? And he asked about what is the difference between A+1 and A++, ma'am. And also he asked about the project, ma'am. He asked what is the role of yours in your project. How did you manage the project timings? What is the cost of your project totally? And how well you are communicated with others in this project. And also he asked about the programming of that project, ma'am. How did you manage this programming? How did you do? Means what are steps you have taken and done in the project, like that he asked, ma'am. I answered it, ma'am. And he also asked about some local and global variables and what is the difference between local and global variables. And also array, what is array, linked list, structures. And that's it, ma'am. And he asked about service agreement, ma'am. Do you know about the service agreement? He asked, ma'am. And he asked about what is the eligibility of the Wipro eligibility criteria. He asked, ma'am. And he asked about my town specialties, ma'am. What is your town is famous for, ma'am? So I told him, ma'am. In this total questions, I didn't answer for 2 questions, ma'am, in programming part. That's it, ma'am. I answered it all, ma'am.
So, Niharika, I think he asked you a question on the company itself because he wanted to know if you have done some, uh,
Yes, ma'am.
readings on that or
Yes,
not, some background reading or not.
yes, ma'am.
So it's very, it's imperative at times for you to go through the company policies or because he asked you about the service agreement as well.
Yes, ma'am.
Company policies, the role you are going for, and what is the latest technology used by the company, what is the company working on in recent times. So it's quite important. Like just get a bit knowledge about it. You don't need to deep dive into it,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So Niharika, he asked you a lot of things on projects.
Yes, ma'am. He
I can
asked.
understand that,
Yes, ma'am.
and very basic questions to the
Yes,
extent I can understand, है ना?
basic questions.
On if you talk about C and C++,
Yes, ma'am. He
right?
asked about only C, ma'am. He asked
Only
me.
C.
Yes, ma'am. Only on C he asked, ma'am.
So, did he ask you anything which was not in your resume?
Actually, he didn't even see my resume, ma'am. He didn't even ask for the resume, ma'am. Directly he started the interview, ma'am.
Okay, no worries. Actually, they have your resume with them. You would have uploaded it, right, at the time
No,
of the
ma'am.
registration.
No, ma'am. I don't think I have uploaded the resume, ma'am.
You didn't upload the resume, they didn't ask for it, is it?
No, ma'am. They didn't ask, ma'am.
Okay, this is something I'm actually listening. Okay, fine, Niharika. So after your technical round, you said it was for 10 to 12 minutes
Yes,
for you,
ma'am.
right? So after the technical round, when did you get the mail for the HR round?
Like 10 to 15 days, ma'am. Around 10 to 15 days, I got a selection mail that you are selected for the HR interview, ma'am.
How was your HR round?
HR round was also like 12 to 15 minutes, like that only, ma'am. In HR interview, he asked about first of all, where are you from? I answered, I'm from Andhra Pradesh, and he asked about myself and explain about yourself, and he also asked about the project. What is the role of of you in your project? And he asked me like. Explain about the project, what is the again amount you spend on that project and all, ma'am. He asked me about again agreement and relocation, ma'am. Service agreement and relocation he asked, ma'am. And he asked about to tell me a funny incident that happened in my life, ma'am. And he asked about why are you choosing the Wipro, why
Mm-hmm.
is it fit for you. And
Mm-hmm.
also, are you a team player, he asked, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
He asked about have you participated in any cultural activities in your college days or in your
Mm-hmm.
school days, like that he asked, ma'am. And how
Okay.
can you justify that you are a team player, like that he asked, ma'am.
Okay.
That's it.
So actually, by doing all this, an HR is checking your communication skills here.
Yes, ma'am.
So, and also one thing I get to note that in HR, they'll not just do basic HR questions, but also, as you said, he asked you about the project and all,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
be prepared with that as well, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Niharika, how was the overall experience for you?
Overall, it's very good, ma'am. I mean, I'm not that much of a nervous, and I answer pretty much every question they ask by the interview, ma'am. Than
That's
compared
so
to my
nice.
first interview, ma'am. Now,
That's so nice, Niharika. We are so proud of you.
thank you.
And all the very best for your future. And to all the students who are preparing for Wipro as a project manager, find this video useful in their interview preparation and also for the technical and HR rounds. Have a good day. Have a great future ahead.
Thank you, ma'am.